Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is TCP and IP. Let's start it. TCP and IP Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol is a suite of communication protocol used to interconnect devices on the internet. Here are some key aspects of TCP and IP. First is definition. TCP and IP is a protocol suite that enables communication between devices on the internet. For internet, it is a layered protocol consisting of four layer application, transport, internet, and link. Second is layer application. Layer provides service to end user application. HTTP, FTP, transport layer provide reliable data transfer between device. TCP, UDP, internet layer routers data between network. IP, link layer provides error-free transfer of data frames between device on the some networks. Third is key protocols. TCP transmission control protocol ensures reliable errors checked data transfer. IP internet protocols routes data between networks. UDP user datagram protocols provides best efforts connectionless data transfer. 4 is addressing. IP addressing unique addressing assigned to device on a network port number identify specific processes or services on a device. 5 is connection establishment. TCP three ways handshake establishes a connection between devices. 6 is data transfer. TCP segmentation breaks data into smaller segments for transfer. TCP acknowledgement ensures reliable data transfer. 7 is network devices. Routers forward data between networks. Switches forward data within a network. Gateways connecting different networks or protocols. Here are some additional advanced topics related to TCP and IP. First is TCP and IP congregation control algorithm for controlling network congestion avoidance technique used for optimizing networks performances. Second is TCP and IP quality for server QoS mechanism for prioritizing network traffic. Diff server in server technique used for ensuring granted bandwidth and latency. Third is TCP and IP security encryption protocols. SSL and TLS. IP security authentication mechanism. Kerberos RADIUS fiber and success access control list. ACLS. 4 is TCP and IP routing protocols. RIP, OSPF, BGP, router selection and optimization, routing tables management. 5 is TCP and IP network management, network monitoring and troubleshooting tools. SNMP ping. Trigger route network configuration and management protocols. DHCP DNS. 6 is TCP and IP scalability techniques for scaling networks to accommodate growth, load balancing, and traffic distribution. 7 is TCP and IP emerging trend. Software defined network SDN, network function virtualization NFV, Internet of Things IoT networking. Here are some additional advanced topics related to TCP and IP. First is TCP and IP performance optimization techniques used for optimizing network performance, caching, buffering, optimizing TCP and IP settings for specific application. Second is TCP and IP network virtualization, virtualizing network resource, VLAN, VPNs, network virtualization protocols, VXLAN and NVGRE.